আজকের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্নটা তাহলে খুব সহজভাবে আলোচনা করে নিই। তোমরা খুব মনোযোগ সহকারে দেখতে থাকো। আর যে কোনো ইউনিভার্সিটির সাজেশন, ইংলিশ অনার্সের মাইনর অথবা মেজরের যে কোনো ইউনিভার্সিটি, সেটা ক্যালকাটা ইউনিভার্সিটি হোক, রবীন্দ্র ভারতী হোক, এনএসইউ হোক বা যে কোনো ইউনিভার্সিটি, প্রত্যেক ইউনিভার্সিটির আমার কিন্তু অফলাইন এবং অনলাইন স্টুডেন্টরা আছে। আমি সাজেশন দিয়ে থাকি খুব সহজ সরল ভাষায়, যে সাজেশনগুলি তোমরা পাবে, যেগুলো কিন্তু হাই মার্কস ক্যারি করবে তোমাদের ইউনিভার্সিটি এক্সামগুলোতে। তাহলে দেখে নিই আজকের প্রশ্নটা, চলো এটাকে রিড করা যাক।
What does the title, A Temporary Matter, mean in the story? The title, A Temporary Matter, has a deep meaning in the story. At first, it seems to refer to the power outage that will last for only 5 nights. The electric company announces that for 1 hour each evening, there will be no electricity. This makes the situation seem small and unimportant, something that will soon pass. However, as the story unfolds, it becomes clear that the title also refers to the temporary nature of many things in life, including love, grief, and relationships. In the story, Shobha and Shukumar are a married couple who have drifted apart after the loss of their baby. They hardly talk to each other and live in silence. But when the power goes out, they are forced to sit together in the dark. This creates a rare.
কেমন লাগলো কোয়েশ্চেনটা এতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত? পরের পেজটা এবার দেখে নেওয়া যাক কি বলা হচ্ছে পরের পেজ।
Moment where they begin to communicate again. They start a game where they share secrets with each other, something they have not done in a long time. During these nights, it seems like they are reconnecting, but this closeness does not last. Just like the power outage, their renewed connection is only temporary. The title also reflects how their love has changed over time. When they first got married, they were happy and excited about their future. They looked forward to having a family together. But after their baby was stillborn, everything changed. Their love, which once felt strong and permanent, began to fade. Instead of comforting each other, they withdrew into their own pain. Their relationship, once built on love and warmth, became cold and distant. The title reminds the reader that even the deepest love can be temporary if it is not nurtured.
এই পেজটা আশা করি ভালোভাবে বুঝতে পারলে। চলো পরবর্তী পেজে দেখে নেওয়া যাক এই প্রশ্নটির আনসারটি কিভাবে ইভলভ করেছে।
Another important meaning of the title is linked to the secrets they share. For 5 nights, they talk openly in the darkness, revealing things they never told each other before. These moments of honesty bring them closer for a short time, but this closeness is also temporary. Once the lights return, so does the reality of their broken marriage. The power outage allowed them to escape their pain for a little while, but in the end, it does not change their situation. The title also suggests the difference between temporary struggles and permanent pain. The power outage is a small problem that will end soon. But their grief over losing their baby is not temporary. It has changed them forever. No matter what they do, they cannot return to the way things were before. The pain they feel is lasting, while the moments of connection during the blackout are only brief.
প্রশ্নটা তাহলে যতদূর পড়া হলো আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পারছো। খুব সহজ ভাষায় কিন্তু লেখা, তাই একটু মনোযোগ সহকারে যদি প্রশ্নটা বুঝতে পারো, পরীক্ষায় কিন্তু সুন্দরভাবে লিখে আসতে পারবে। চলো পরবর্তী পেজে দেখে নেওয়া যাক কি রয়েছে।
At the end of the story, the meaning of the title becomes even clearer. After the final night of the power outage, Shobha tells Shukumar that she is moving out. This reveals that their time together is truly over. Even though they shared honest moments in the dark, it was not enough to save their marriage. The darkness gave them a short period where they could pretend things were getting better, but in reality, their relationship was already broken. The title captures this sad truth. What seemed like a moment of healing was only a temporary matter. In the end, the story shows how fragile relationships can be. Feelings change, people change, and love can fade. The title reminds us that nothing in life is guaranteed to last forever. Even the strongest bonds can become temporary if they are not cared for. This makes the story both heartbreaking and realistic, as it reflects the way life and relationships often work.